Good morning and welcome to another edition of Finance Phil Pro Tip Tuesday. Alright, so what I'm going to teach you today is a little bit of information on how you can get pre-qualified in a few. I understand it's a big deal in buying a car today. So I'm going to teach you the most easiest steps so that you can have a great time here at the dealer purchasing the vehicle you like. So I'm going to start with our website. Our website is backroadchevy.com. At backroadchevy.com, there's a tab that says Finance. When you hover over Finance, you can scroll down to where it says Get Pre-Approved, fill out a little bit of your information, continue through step 2 and 3, and that'll give us information about what is the best vehicle that you're going to be able to get into, if not the car of your choice. It is always a great idea to please bring on your appointments a driver's license, a copy of your current insurance ID card. Also, it does not hurt to bring one of your most recent pay stubs so that the transaction can go smoother and a lot faster. No one likes waiting at a dealer with the unknown. So we like to help you and we like to do it right. Maybe you're not ready to purchase a vehicle today, and that's okay. On our website, you can check your current credit through TransUnion. Also, if you're thinking of a purchase in the future, this is a great start. Also, it'll allow you some time to save a little bit of money for a down payment. A couple $100 every 2 weeks could actually help lower your interest rate in the grand scheme of things. If we can help you out, please go to www.backroadchevy.com. You can call us at 815-332-3000 and please ask for Phil in Finance. I'll be more than happy to take your request and find out what it is that we can do to put your deal together.